Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language of Google Chrome, especially useful when working with Google Forms in a different language. First, go to Google Forms and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, open any form you want to view in a different language. Next, translate the page. Right-click anywhere on the form, click Translate to English, or whatever your browser default is. A small pop-up will appear. Click the three dots on it. Then, choose Select another language. Now, choose the language you want. For example, Filipino. Click Translate. As you can see, the language of the form has now changed. This works for many languages and is helpful if you are filling out or reviewing forms in other regions. And that's how you can change the Google Chrome language when using Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.